Hi, Bright Mind students, welcome back to the Engineer Squad channel. Today, we will practice a problem related to functions, specifically focusing on the composition of functions and the inverse of a function. It is known the function of gx equals to x plus 1, and the composition of f and g from x equals to x squared plus 3x plus 1. Determine the function of fx. In the problem, we already know the gx and the composition of f and g. The question is to find the function of fx. It is important to remember that f composed with g means the function of f is applied to the result of the function of gx. If we illustrate them in a diagram, there are sets of a, b, and c. From a to b is the function of g, then followed by the function f from b to c. Meanwhile, the diagram of f composition g is shown in light blue. What we're going to find is the function of f. From the lesson on vectors, we can determine f, if g and the composition of f and g are known. F is from b to c vector, which is composed by ba vector followed by ac vector. We know that ac is the composition of f and g. Then, we need to find the ba vector. We are going to examine AB. AB is same as the function of gx. Therefore, BA is the inverse of the g function. Now, we need to find the inverse function of g. We know that gx is x plus 1. In the diagram, gx changes x into y. So, gx can be denoted as y. Equation becomes y equals x plus 1. The inverse function is the opposite of the function, so we will change it into the form of x equals 2. We move 1 to the left side, becomes y minus 1 equals x. This equation is what we refer to as the inverse of g. We change the variable into x, and we get the inverse function of gx is x minus 1. Before we continue, we invite you to like this video and subscribe to the Engineer Squad channel. Your support means a lot for the continuity of this channel. Thank you to those who have supported us. Now, let's continue with the discussion of this problem. From the diagram, we get f is g inverse continued by composition of f and g. We write it as f composed with g and composed with inverse of g, or f composed with g from x minus 1. F composed with g from x is already known from the question. If the variable is x minus 1, then we need to change all x variable with x minus 1. The equation will become then x squared minus 2x plus 1 plus 3x minus 3 plus 1 results in x squared plus x minus 1. This is being the answer to this question. This problem is already solved here, but we are going to check our answer. We remember that f composed with g is equal to a function of f gx. We put gx into the function x, gx squared plus gx minus 1. It becomes x squared plus 2x plus 1 plus x plus 1 and minus 1. It results in x squared plus 3x plus 1. We can see that our calculation of f composed with g is same as in the question. That means our answer is already right.
Yes!
That concludes the discussion of a question related to inverse of a function. Here are some important notes related to composition of functions and notes related to the inverse of a function. Hopefully, this video is useful. See you in the next problem discussion.